How to create BC letter logo design in Illustrator. A logo should be clear and easily recognizable, so avoid overly complex designs. Ensure the logo is legible and maintains its integrity at different sizes, especially when scaled down. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. Let's conquer the world of graphics. Today's tutorial, we've selected the Tangosans font, known for its elegant and versatile style. This beautifully crafted typeface pairs wonderfully with the letters B and C, creating a visually appealing design. The best part is that Tangosans is entirely free for both commercial and personal use, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of creative applications. Create outline of both letters. We're excited to incorporate this font into our work and explore its potential in enhancing our designs. Next, using the selection tool, select both the letters B and C, place one letter on top of the other to create an overlapping effect. To duplicate this arrangement, go to the Edit menu and click on Copy. Then, return to the Edit menu and select Paste and Back. This action will place a duplicate copy behind the original letters. For this duplicate layer, we've chosen a light gray color, adding a subtle yet elegant contrast to the design. Now, let's enhance the design by opening the Offset Path feature. By adjusting the offset value, we can make the duplicate copy of the letters thicker, adding depth and dimension. This technique helps to create a bold outline effect, making the letters stand out more prominently in the design. Once the desired thickness is achieved, we'll expand the appearance to finalize the changes. However, our objective here is different. With the duplicate letters in place, we'll now use the Shape Builder tool to refine and merge the overlapping areas creatively. Select the Shape Builder tool and choose a vibrant red color. By carefully combining the sections, we'll begin crafting a unique logo design. This process allows for precise control over the shapes and colors, resulting in a bold and eye-catching logo that stands out. You can take any other letters and design the logo in the same way. This logo will definitely make it. And will definitely tell me about it in the description box as well. Thanks. Watch this tutorial to enhance your logo design skills and create stunning visuals for your brand or clients.